don't you? I just need to pick them up, really. Yeah, the scrapyard sometimes. Pick up a set of alloys and with the tyres, possibly £100 for it. From a scrapyard. Oh my god! So the guy playing table tennis, he is, isn't he?
No.
No? I've got my dash cam.
Start giving an extra tenner to you.
Yeah, an extra tenner?
Yeah.
For doing what?
Just giving you an extra tenner.
Oh, right, towards your key?
Yeah.
Okay.